Hello, today we're going to be doing a test of running one of these linear actuators at double its recommended voltage. As you can imagine, I was a little reluctant to try this out, well, because of how many amps are in these batteries. You know, you don't want to go messing around with them. Like 95 amps reserved in just one of these. But, combined together, we get, however, about 24 volts. Ain't that nice? And of course you don't want to go reading the current in these batteries, because multimeters like this are only rated for about 10 amps, and these hold nearly 100 each, so don't do that. Now I'll just position this so you can see it a little better. You can see that with just 12 volts, the linear actuator is pretty slow. It goes about 1 millimeter a second. However, when we've got 24 volts, I'll just hook this one on there. That way I don't have to hold both ends of a live circuit. You never want to hold the positive and negative at once from a battery. You could electrocute yourself. That is not fun. Don't ask me how I know this. Yeah, but with 24 volts, look how fast that was. We'll just flip it around again so you can see how fast it retracts. So, well, running at double the voltage means I'll have to keep an even closer eye on the temperature of these, because they're only at 12 volts rated for about 25%, which means you got to give them a 4-minute cooldown for every minute of runtime. So running them at double the voltage would probably mean a 12% duty cycle, which would mean for every 1 minute of runtime you'd have to give it 8 minutes of cooldown. But considering how much time there is in between using these linear actuators, at least on Marduk, I probably won't have to worry about the temperature too much. I mean, worst case scenario, I can always strap some like little cooling fins on there. So probably what there's going to be is there's going to be the normal operating range of the 12 volts to do the linear actuator stuff. And then there will be a like latch you gotta like flip open and press in order to switch everything over to the 24 volt circuit. That way, you know, there's a bit of extra safety and all that sort of fun stuff. So I guess that will be all for today. If you do enjoy my content, be sure to like and subscribe, and as I always do on this channel, keep pushing it to the limit. Bye bye.